This case starts like many routine plea hearings, but pay close attention because what looks like a simple courtroom procedure actually involves two criminal charges and a major legal decision that could affect this woman's future for years. Isabel Kunga is facing accusations of tampering with physical evidence and drug possession, both serious offenses under Texas law. Now, the judge is about to walk her through a long list of rights she's about to give up. The big question is, does she fully understand the consequences of this plea? And will the court accept the deal?
All right, court is calling 2026 CR 000040 and 2026 CR 002949 State versus Isabel Kalunga. Can I have parties announced?
Yes, ma'am. Teresa Conley from Ms. Kalunga.
And are you Ms. Kalunga?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
In each cause number, the court will find the state is in compliance with discovery. In the cause number 2026 CR 002949. Oh, I'm so sorry. Did you? All right, on this one, I don't have the waiver.
It is at the bottom of the blue page.
Yes, ma'am, I didn't unstate it, but I'm sorry. The last page behind the plea bargain agreement.
No, there's nothing behind the.
I think it was stapled to the waiver.
It's the last page. This is in regard to the lower case. We just signed.
Oh, it's to the wrong cause number.
I'm so sorry, sir.
That's okay. And cause number 2026 CR 002949. Did you review the waiver of indictment, reading of information and rights under Article 1.051 and 26.03 of the Code of Criminal Procedure with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to have a grand jury review the evidence in this case and make a decision on whether or not to hold you up for trial?
I do.
And did you also understand your attorney has certain rights? Your attorney has the right for the passage of 2 days upon presentation of the information and also 10 days to prepare for trial. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to enter into a plea and give up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived indictment, reading of information and rights under Article 1.051 and 26.03 of the Code of Criminal Procedure. And did you review the information with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, you're waiving the reading of the information?
Yes, Your Honor.
And then in cause number 2026 CR 000040, did you review the indictment in that case with your attorney? Did you understand it? Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State in each of the cause numbers, are you proceeding on the indictment and information as presented? In each cause number, did you review the court's admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Moment. In cause number 2026 CR 000040, you're charged with the offense of tampering or fabricating physical evidence with intent to impair as a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine. And the other cause number, by information, you're charged with.
Let's pause here for a moment, because what the judge just explained is extremely important. One charge is a third-degree felony, which can carry up to 10 years in prison, while the other is a state jail felony. That means even though this hearing may sound procedural, the stakes are actually very high. When someone agrees to a plea bargain like this, they're often hoping to avoid prison time through something called deferred adjudication, which we'll likely hear about soon. But remember, the judge does not have to accept the deal, and if things go wrong later, those maximum penalties can come right back into play.
Possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram, that's a state jail felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. In each cause number, if you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
In each cause number, you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state would call in the right to remain silent. By entering into these pleas, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in each of the cause number?
Yes,
And the cause number, that's the state jail felony. If the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason you are revoked, the court could sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. And the cause number for the third degree felony, if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 10 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
I do not.
Counsel, in each cause number, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes.
Ms. Kalanga, on each cause number, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No,
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
no,
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
yes.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering these pleas, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
I'm a U.S. citizen, ma'am, yes.
All right. In each cause number, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. In each cause number, did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney?
Yes,
In each cause number, punishment is to be assessed at a $1,200 fine. State is recommending deferred adjudication. The cause numbers will run concurrently. The state will take in consideration 2025 PF 38702, PF 07268, and PF 07269. Did you understand that to be the plea?
yes, ma'am.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
Yes, sir.
In each cause number, did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Absolutely, ma'am.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsel, any of such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your community supervision be for a term of 5 years. There be a TAP evaluation, 120 hours of community service restitution. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
And the cause number ending in 40, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, ma'am.
And the cause number ending in 49, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Contest, ma'am.
State any evidence.
Yes, sir. State's exhibit 1 in all attachments in both causes.
No objection. No.
All right, state, you may be excused. In each cause number, did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Absolutely.
In each cause number, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same.
Yes, ma'am.
This is one of those moments where the judge steps in with a bit of courtroom reality. The defendant tried to explain her situation by saying she was simply in the wrong part of town. But the judge quickly pushes back on that idea, pointing out something many courts emphasize: people often end up in bad situations because of the choices that brought them there. It's a subtle but powerful reminder that the court isn't just looking at excuses, it's looking at accountability. And responsibility. What do you think was the judge being fair here? Or a little too blunt?
All right, in each cause number, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, Ms. Kalanga is very embarrassed by the situation. She has moved to Bandera. I'd like to have that transferred if you're willing to grant probation.
All right, and what city is that?
I'm sorry,
Bandera.
county, I think Bandera County. I think.
What city is that?
Bandera.
Oh, Bandera, for Bandera County. Okay.
Mhm.
All right. Do you have any children?
Yes, ma'am.
What are their ages?
Well, I have just a 17-year-old that's going to, she lives in Campbellton, Texas with her father. But she signed on for 20 years in the Army. So she's doing very well and all my kids graduated and stuff. I never got in trouble till this last year, being in the wrong part of town. I really am sorry. And
Okay, so here's the thing, wrong part of town.
I know, I
you
can't believe it.
You know how part of town become part of town? Because people are in that area of town doing wrong things.
And
So this is what the court is gonna do. The court is gonna sentence you, and the cause number ending in 49. Court is gonna sentence you to a $1,200 fine. That'll be probated, 5 years deferred adjudication, regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs, proof of employment within 45 days, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors, transfer to Bandera County, 120 hours of community service restitution, TAP evaluation out of custody, follow TAP recommendations, field visits, if they do field visits 1 time per month until further notice.
can I say something, Your Honor?
Yes.
I'm disabled. I don't know if,
What is your disability?
well, I have nerve damage on half of my face. So I cannot feel it. I get like, these pains that come around my ears and stuff like that. I got it.
You'll have to provide proof of that to probation,
I understand that.
and then you'll have to have proof from a doctor saying that you're unable to work.
Okay.
Probation, is there anything else under that cause number?
Judge, Bandera County is one of the counties that we have an agreement with, where they still report here in their county.
Okay.
But the only issue is the bill visit. Want completely transfer or just her reporting here.
Well, I mean, I'll put down that she's allowed to reside in Bandera County.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yes.
And nothing else on that, Judge.
All right. And that cause number, did you review the trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. All right, next we're proceeding with 2026 CR 000040. Court is going to sentence you to a $1,200 fine. That will be probated.
Thank you, Your Honor.
This will run, you're welcome. This will run concurrent with 2026 CR 002949. Take in consideration 2025 PF 38702, PF 0768, PF 07269. There's a regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs, proof of employment, I'll give you 45 days, no employment as a home healthcare provider or with minors, no residing in households with minors. Defendant allowed to reside in Bandera County. TAP evaluation out of custody, follow TAP recommendations, 120 hours of community service restitution. Probation, is there anything else?
It mentioned the appointment, right, Judge?
Yes, proof of employment within 45 days.
Nothing else.
All right, is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No, ma'am.
All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
I understand.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
God bless you.
Thank you very much. Thank you. All right.
In the end, the judge followed the plea agreement and granted deferred adjudication, meaning Isabel avoids an immediate conviction as long as she successfully completes 5 years of probation, pays fines, completes community service, and follows strict supervision conditions. But this isn't exactly a free pass if she violates probation. The court could still sentence her to serious prison time based on the original charges. Cases like this show how plea deals can give defendants a second chance, but they also come with heavy responsibility. If you found this courtroom moment interesting, drop your thoughts in the comments. Do you think the sentence was fair? And don't forget to like the video, share it with someone who follows true crime, and subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns like this one.